I am so tired of everything right now. I need a break from all of this. I need to get away from the city. The noise and the rush are making me feel sick. Harry, do you want to go to the forest tomorrow? I really need some fresh air and peace.
Good morning, Harry. Are you ready to go? The forest is waiting for us today. I have been ready since 6 this morning. I packed everything we need in my bag. Look, Emma, no more buildings. Just trees. Can you feel the air changing already?
Wow. It is so beautiful and so quiet here. I already feel completely different inside. Just breathe. Slow and deep, that is better. The forest air smells so clean and so fresh. I forgot how good nature feels against my skin. This tree has been standing here for so many years. Come on, Emma! Look at this amazing path! There are so many things to discover out here.
Listen, do you hear that bird singing? It is singing the same song over and over again. I always draw things I want to remember. Drawing helps me feel calm and very present. Harry, that drawing is really beautiful. You are so talented. I mean every word. I forgot how to play and just have fun. Thank you for reminding me, Harry. The water sounds so calm and peaceful. I could stand here and listen to it all day long.
Oh, it is cold, but it feels so good. I cannot remember the last time I did something like this. I can feel the stress leaving my body slowly. The sun on my face feels so warm and so kind. Be like the leaf. Just go with the flow. Do not fight the current. Just trust and move forward.
Look, Emma! I found this beautiful pebble for you. See how the colors change it in the sunlight? I will keep this forever. Thank you, Harry. Every time I look at it, I will think of today. Yes, 3 skips. You actually did it, Emma. See, you can do anything when you just relax.
I have never seen anything so beautiful in my life. Look at all those wildflowers, every color imaginable. Everything here is so alive and so free. Nothing is rushing, nothing is worrying, just growing. I just want to lie here and do absolutely nothing. The sky is so wide and so blue and so free.
I feel like I can fly right now, Emma! This meadow is the most amazing place I have ever seen. That cloud looks exactly like a rabbit running. And that one over there looks like a big elephant. I packed food for both of us. Are you hungry? I made the sandwiches myself this morning. This sandwich tastes so amazing out here. Food always tastes better when you eat it in nature. I am really glad you came with me today, Harry. You always know exactly what I need. I am always here for you, Emma. Always. You never have to carry anything alone. Not ever.
Why do I not do this more often? I have been so busy that I forgot how to rest. Not today. Today, I choose nature over everything. Those messages can wait until tomorrow morning. I am here. Just here. That is enough. Right now, this moment is the only thing that matters.
Harry, what is at the top of this hill? I can see you have a very big secret smile. You will just have to wait and see, Emma. Trust me, it is going to be worth every step. Oh, Harry, it is absolutely breathtaking. I have never seen a lake so beautiful in my life.
The water is so still and so perfectly clear. I can see the sky and the clouds reflected below me. Look at those ducks. They look so completely free. They have no worries, no deadlines, just the lake. I feel like myself again. Finally. It has been so long since I felt this calm inside. Art is everywhere if you look carefully. Even the mud by a lake can become a canvas.
Emma, come in! The water feels amazing! It is cold at first, but then it feels so good! This is the best day of my whole entire year! I want to remember every single second of this.
Such a small and simple little pebble, but right now it means absolutely everything to me. I am writing down everything I feel right now. I never want to forget this beautiful and peaceful day. Nature teaches you to breathe again slowly. It reminds you that life is not only about work.
Harry, look. The sunset is starting over the lake. I think this might be the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
I have absolutely no words for this moment. It is just perfect. Completely and totally perfect. You are so incredibly talented, Harry. I mean that. One day the whole world will see your beautiful drawings. I came here feeling broken and completely lost. But right now I feel whole and healed and truly alive. There you are. I have missed you so much. Welcome back to yourself, Emma. Welcome back. Today was exactly what I needed most. I am so grateful for this one perfect day in nature.
The forest feels completely different in the evening. Everything is softer and quieter and more magical.
Trees actually talk to each other through their roots. They share food and water with other trees nearby. I think they are saying hello to us, Harry. And I think they are saying please come back very soon.
Thank you, Forest. We will come back very soon.
You have given us something we can never buy. One day in nature changed absolutely everything. I feel like a completely different person right now. Thank you, Harry, for absolutely everything today. You gave me back something I thought I had lost forever.
The room is exactly the same as before, but I am completely different. And that changes everything. This little pebble will remind me to breathe slowly. Every time I look at it, I will remember the forest. Nature gave me something I cannot explain in words. It gave me back my peace, my calm, my true self.
Harry, that drawing is absolutely stunning. You captured every color of that sunset perfectly.
This is my favorite drawing I have ever done. I want to frame it and put it on my bedroom wall.
Same time next weekend, Harry. Good night.
Sleep well, and thank you for the most beautiful day.
I look like myself again. Finally, I do. The tiredness in my eyes has completely disappeared. Nature does not hurry, and yet everything happens. That is the most important lesson I learned today.
Take a deep breath. Slow down. Go to nature. It will give you back everything you thought you lost.